All right, let's do this.
We love you too damn much.
Yeah. All right, ready? Hey everyone, James Reeves, TFBTV. Fan Service Friday, man. This thing sucks. I'm down here in the dungeon. I just got robbed over there, and then I got mobbed here at the this booth, whatever this is. But there's actually a bunch of cool shit in here. We just covered the Nambu SMG. We just covered some integrally suppressed AR. Now we're doing a VZ61 Scorpion.
Yeah, so these are VZ61s that my company builds, Titus Arms. So these actually use original surplus VZ61 Scorpion parts kits that are converted to semi-auto and built on cheap but very strong printed receivers. So they hold up incredibly well. I think I have about 3,000 rounds through a prototype, and no issues at all.
Well, I mean, you're talking about a 32 ACP,
32
right?
ACP,
So, I
for
mean,
sure.
like, how brutal is it going to be?
Exactly, for sure. But it's a fun build.
Okay, now let me ask you this. You're selling these as complete guns, correct?
Correct, and stripped receivers.
Okay, and how much, like, what's the price?
So for stripped receivers, $60. They include the dovetail and the rate reducer. Despite being semi-auto, they still have the original rate reducer in it. And completed pistols, about $580 with accessories, cases, magazines, all of that, which still makes them the cheapest option on the
Holy
market.
shit. So I can get one of these complete running for $580.
Correct, and they're threaded.
Okay. Oh, damn. Threaded in what? Half 28?
Half by 28.
Okay. Well, that's actually really cool. Like that, I'm glad that you stopped me. Now, again, you've made some assurances vis-a-vis the receiver. I am a boomer. Therefore, I do not trust 3D printed components. Tell me why I'm wrong.
So materials have advanced a lot in the past few years, and printers. The main issue for FDM is layer adhesion. So how do you get around that? You get materials that have better layer adhesion and printers that can print with better layer adhesion. And then just proper post-processing, annealing, moisture treatment, and just making sure the design is properly tested.
See, when I hear that virgin talk, my eyes roll back in my head. I just blacked out. No, I really appreciate you taking the time. This actually is cool. I mean, I think the title here is like $580 Scorpion.
Yeah.
So I think these are neat. The parts kits that you're putting in them, what kind of shape are they in?
So they range from good to never issued. So I try to handpick the good kits for customers, and then I keep the bad parts kits for myself, just for fun.
And they're all 580. You don't do like handpick shit like that.
I don't do handpick.
Okay.
No.
All right. So they're all going to be generally the same grade.
Correct.
All right. Well, Corbin, thank you very much. I genuinely appreciate it. I'm giving you a hard time, but this is really neat. Guys, stay tuned. We're bringing you more Fan Service Friday before I take a nap. SHOT Show 2025.